Make sure you stay tuned to the end. We'll talk about 2 common mistakes people make that can cost you thousands of dollars. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any vehicle having a Dodge Charger. If you have one of those, you're trying to find the fuse for the fuel door, the one that opens to put gasoline in your car, guys. If it doesn't open, check that fuse. We'll explain why it's super important to test fuses on a car, and actually common mistakes people make when replacing fuses that can cost you thousands of dollars. Stay with us until the end. We'll cover very helpful information today. Before we start, let me just tell you a little bit about us, guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we do that? Because our mission at the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. And if you guys want to buy any parts, tools for your Dodge or any vehicle, you want to get them at a good price, quick shipping, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tools and supplies from. So let's continue now. So V6, V8, it will work on both Dodge Chargers. Most people will do one thing, they'll come right here and they'll try to find that fuse in the fuse box in the front. It's not here, guys. Before we continue, many of you asked in the comment section below for the Dodge videos, guys, to recommend a scanner, good scanner for diagnostics. This is our favorite scanner, guys, right here. This scanner, you can find the link in the description of the video below. It's an amazing tool that can pay itself off in one-time use. Check out the link for current price and features, but it works on almost any car you can think of, and it's a tool that can pay itself off in practically one-time use, guys. So definitely check it out. Let's explain where the fuel door fuse is located now. So if you open the trunk on your Dodge Charger, you leave the cargo cover here, and underneath it you have your spare tire, car battery right there. Now, common mistake people make, guys, for some important fuses, it's recommended to disconnect the car battery when replacing fuses or relays, and otherwise you can cause damage to modules, computers, the electrical system. And on these new cars, it's important which battery terminal you disconnect, reconnect first, because again, you can burn the electronics, guys. How we know that? We did that, and it cost us $2,000. So check out, there is a video that explains which battery terminal to disconnect first. Very important video. We'll go ahead, press here, that's your fuse box that we'll need, and lift it just like that. Now, guys, let's talk where that fuse is located. So if you come now right there, these are your fuses. You have a few different kinds of fuses and relays. It's very important to test fuses. Most people will not, but sometimes you cannot clearly tell if one fuse is burned. And let's say you think your fuse is good, you put it back in, and your fuel door still doesn't open. You replace the switch, you replace the actuator, and you still have problems. And all we had to do is just test the fuse, find out it's bad, and replace it. You just wasted your time and money, guys. So always test fuses. We'll put a link to a video that will teach you how to test fuses, relays, and where to buy cheap fuses and relays from. So where is that fuse now? We're talking about fuse number F23. So if you come right here in that fuse block, and you're starting from the very left, 1, 2, that 10 fuse, that's the one that we have here, that's the one responsible for that. So we'll just go ahead, grab it, and pull it out. You can see this is, guys, the fuse. Then when you find out if it's good or bad, you just go ahead and push it back in. So you can see, pretty simple. Now if it still doesn't open, we have a video why fuel door doesn't open. Check it out. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.